When putting together my son's nursery, I decided to do something a little different for a nightlight. I found an old garden ornament in the shape of an owl, and I added a light to it so that it could be used as a nightlight. The owl was originally a solar garden light, so the first thing that I had to do was remove all the original parts. The cover with the switch and the solar cell just unscrewed, but the battery holder was glued in place, so I used a Dremel tool to cut it out. The next thing that I needed to do was find the new light. I decided to use the LEDs from a small battery-powered push light. So I removed the housing, leaving only the LEDs and the circuit board. To power the light, I used a small AC power adapter. Unfortunately, I measured that the output voltage of the adapter was about 7.8 volts, and I calculated that the LEDs are only designed to work with about 3.9 volts. So I needed to add a resistor. After a few more calculations, I determined that a 68 ohm resistor would be enough to make the LEDs work with the adapter. In order to turn the light on and off, I added a switch between the power adapter and the light assembly. To cover up the hole in the back of the owl, I took a small piece of scrap plastic and cut it to fit the opening. I cut a small slot in the center for the switch, and notches in each side for the screws. Lastly, I glued the switch in place and screwed on the new cover plate. Well, that's how to turn a garden ornament into a decorative nightlight. Thanks for watching, and check back soon for more DIY hacks and how-tos.